Changing your phone number associated with your Mastercard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the process, make sure you have your Mastercard details handy, including your card number and any personal identification information that may be required. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu or dashboard area. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 4. Update your phone number. In the Profile Settings, locate the option to edit your contact information. Find the field for your phone number and enter your new number. Be sure to double check for any errors. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your phone number, look for Save or Update button. Click it to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your phone number has been successfully updated. Make sure to keep your contact information current to ensure you receive important notifications and updates.